So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket. And Mistral has released two big things. One is Mistral Vibe CLI alongside a family of coding models, that is Devstral 2. It has two models, and surprisingly, being 1/20th and 1/5 of the size of DeepSeek v3.2 and Kimi K2, it is able to beat those models on coding. Yes, you heard it right. The models are crazingly good, and if you look, I think it's the best open source model for coding. Also, if you look here, just a touch behind DeepSeek, but DeepSeek has 688 parameters, 618 million, while it has just 123, and Devstral 2 small has 24 million parameters. It's about 1/5 the size and giving almost the same performance. Here also, if you look at the SW bench verified model size, Devstral and Devstral small 2 are somewhere here, which is crazingly better. So we'll be talking about the Devstral 2 model. As you can see, Devstral 2 123B instruct. Both the models are open source and available on Hugging Face. If you search for Devstral 2 small also, here you can see it's a GGF version and it is the original version. Devstral small 224B also, the model is available. Devstral 2 family, advanced agentic LLMs for software engineering. Devstral 2 is 123 parameters, 72.2% SW bench, and Devstral small 2 24 billion parameters, 68% SWA bench. The family agentic LLMs excels at using tools, advanced multi-file, remarkable performance on SW bench. Apache 2.0 licensing, context window is 256K, which is quite huge. And here you can see the benchmark scores, which is quite good for the model. Devstral small 2, it's lightweight, runs on RTX 4090 or Mac with 32GB RAM. Apache 2.2 license and context window is 256K context. And the score for Devstral small 2s are also good compared to the size. Model comparison, I think both the models are looking great in terms of parameter. Devstral 2 is quite big, about 5 times bigger. Hardware requirement, I think it requires more hardware, obviously, yes, but small 2 can be run on RTX 4092 and can be used edge devices. Key feature is agentic coding, Apache 2.2 licensing. The context window is 256K, which is quite good, and vision capabilities also are there. New in version 2, improved performance, attention softmax temperature, and better generalization. Use cases are these. Benchmark we have already seen, which are quite good for the model. Usage are, I think, Mistral Vibe. They have released a CLI, coding CLI for free for everyone. Mistral Vibe, where both the models can be used. Apart from that, the models can also be used in client, Kilocode, Cloud Code, OpenHand, and SWE agent. API access is also present. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out Devstral 2 model and let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. Thank you so much.